News further afield now, the Ukrainian president says trilateral talks on ending the war in Ukraine are to take place with Russia and the U.S. in the United Arab Emirates after he met with U.S. President Donald Trump in Switzerland. As the diplomatic pace appeared to intensify, Trump said his meeting with President Zelensky was good, and a U.S. envoy Steve Witkoff headed to Moscow for talks with Russia's Vladimir Putin. Witkoff, who was traveling to Moscow with Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner, said he was optimistic about a deal. Trump's envoy gave no details about the remaining sticking point, but Zelensky later clarified that the future status of eastern Ukraine remained the unresolved issue. He made clear that the planned talks in the Emirates would involve Russia as well as the United States and Ukraine, adding that the Russians have to be ready for compromises, not only Ukraine. I'll believe it when I see it.
Yeah. What's next?
And the primetime news package continues with sports after the break with...
Shake his hand.